week 2 of intermediate East Coast swing. We just had a little easy pattern for you today. Really easy. We just did a banana split, washing machine, a bunch of other stuff. So we started with our starter step, triple, triple. We went into a banana split, triple, triple. But we ended up thinking that was kind of boring. So we got to extend it a little bit. Rock, step, triple, 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 triple. And anytime I extend by 2 triples. From there we get our washing machine. Rock, step, triple, 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 triple. And then what happens is when I'm facing her, my hand's on her back, I'm going to just stay in place and do a triple as she turns. Triple step. From there we get a behind the back hand change. Rock, step, she goes under. I change hands as I rotate. From there we get an alternating underarm turn, where I went under the hand. Then we did a second alternating underarm turn, where I turned into my hand. Triple step. We did a basic underarm turn from there. Let me do one more, just so you have a better view of what's going to happen. So we did a closed position, which is kind of like it's almost like a tuck in itself. Rock, step, triple, triple. And we talked about where the knuckles face. So the knuckles are connected to my center point of balance. If they move this way, she stays facing the knuckles, and you just move with it. So if I'm just doing triple, triple, rock, step, notice they just face her. But if I turn and face those knuckles that way, and then that way, she's going to match that. Okay? So after we got in the closed position, we did rock, step, we went for a walk, and we cut her off. Triple step, we did an inside turn, triple, back to close into a tuck, triple, triple. So that was our whole sequence. Thank you guys. We'll see you next week.